Welcome to the Health Focus Podcast, brought to you by Memorial Healthcare, where we discuss current trends and topics in healthcare that are important to our local Shiawassee community. We are coming to you, as always, from the Now Building and our podcast studio. I will be your host, Dr. Gregory Flermone, a general surgeon here at Memorial. Today with me, we have Sarah McNamara, who is the Programming and Wellness Manager of our Memorial Healthcare's Wellness Center. Sarah, thank you very much for joining us today. I appreciate you taking time out of your day for this. So we're sitting in the Now Building, which is the home to your wellness center. What types of services has Memorial brought to the Wellness Center for our community?
So we have a wide array of services outside of that gym membership that we offer here at the Wellness Center. Some of those things include personal training, massage therapy. We have nutritional counseling sessions available with a registered dietitian. We offer a drop-in childcare service as well. So that's perfect for anybody that's coming in, whether you're using the Wellness Center or if you're coming in for an appointment or to get, lunch at the Big Salad. So that's also a draw for the community to come in and check out our new space. Do we have tours? Like if somebody's interested, how do they, they can walk in? What's a day like for them? Do we give a tour? Are there free pass? How do we get them to come back? Yeah, for sure. So we do offer tours really anytime that we're open. So we're here Monday through Friday from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. And Saturday and Sunday from 7 to 4. Appointments aren't necessary if you want to come in and tour, but if there's anything special that you want to see, we can make sure that, we don't have classes going on or something going on in the therapy pool, if that's especially a space that you want to check out. So as we want more information out for the general public, who can join here? Is it just for Memorial staff? And what's the cost for an individual or a family? Mm-hmm. So the Wellness Center is open to the community. Anyone that is over the age of 13 is eligible for a membership. We do cater to more of an adult population as opposed to a younger audience here at the Wellness Center. And we do have a variety of different membership options available. We offer, an individual membership for an adult that starts at $52 a month, a couple membership for an individual that's under 62. Then we do offer senior memberships, so 62 and older, an individual and a couple option for those as well, and a dependent membership. So if you have children that are between the ages of 13 and 17 that would like to join you here at the Wellness Center, there is an option for them as well. For those with kids under 13, what do we offer them? Is there any type of daycare, drop-in, so we can facilitate them getting here more often? Absolutely. So we are really excited to offer a drop-in childcare here at the Wellness Center. They're available Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. It's $2 per child per hour, up to a 2-hour maximum. That's kind of why we're designated as a drop-in and not a fully licensed daycare at this time. But it's the perfect amount of time if you're coming in to exercise, here for an appointment within the Now Building, if you're visiting neurology, orthopedics, or if you're here, to swim or get lunch or dinner at the Big Salad. So what about exercise classes? I've seen some schedules out there floating around on Facebook. Are those available with the membership? Are they extra? Yeah, great question. So the group fitness classes are included in that membership price. We offer over 30 individual unique group fitness classes across the course of the week. They do change monthly, so we try to keep things really fresh. But yeah, you're able to drop into unlimited classes throughout the week with that membership. And with these classes, are there different levels, the beginner, more advanced, so anybody can kind of fit in where they need to? Yeah, definitely. So we do offer modification for all of our classes, but some of them are designated as a beginner or an entry-level class. So we try to make them inclusive for any level of fitness. Our instructors are really awesome, and they're able to cater to you specifically in the class to make sure that you're getting, the best benefit out of the class based on where you're starting. All right, perfect. Now I noticed on the advertisement that everybody gets a one-on-one meeting with an exercise physiologist. Explain to me and the community kind of what that means and what they're going to get out of that. Yeah, so we have 2 on-staff exercise physiologists here at the Wellness Center. They are trained in body mechanics, kinesiology. So they are our clinical experts within the Wellness Center to be able to make sure that you're starting off strong. With that one-on-one exercise prescription that's offered to every new member, it's almost like an introduction to all of the equipment that we have up on the floor. So we have over 180 pieces of strength and cardio, brand new equipment, and it can be intimidating to come into the gym for the first time, or maybe if you haven't been for a while. So they take into into consideration briefly your past health history, whatever you're interested in sharing. Past injuries are good to note too, so that they can make sure that you're not doing something that's going to aggravate a past injury or put you outside of whatever your limits are currently. So really about keeping you safe and starting off confidently in the gym.
Now, I know there's difference between gyms and these medically based wellness centers. What's the difference and why is that important to our community?
We are considered a medically based wellness center. What designates us as that is that every individual that's working within our space is holding a higher educational degree, a license, or a certification in the area in which they are working. So we, are bringing in the best of the best in the area to make sure that we are cultivating a safe and, results-driven environment. So that's what really sets us apart. And there's not, another space in the area that offers that currently.
So how does somebody sign up for membership? If somebody hears this and they're interested, they want to, learn more, what's the best route for them?
They can check out the Memorial Healthcare website under Wellness Center. There is a registration form online that you can submit. We would, respond back to you that we get all of your information into the system. And then your first visit, when you come in, we take your picture, get your key tag for entry to scan when you're coming to the gym, or you can always just come right in. And, we have some really great customer service associates at the front desk that are happy to get that set up for you.
Oh, I believe you mentioned earlier about massage therapy.
Mm-hmm.
Is that included or is that an extra cost? How does that work for those people that are interested?
Yeah, good question. So massage therapy and personal training, in addition to our nutritional counseling, are an added cost to a membership, similarly to if you were to go to another spa or salon in the area. But our staff here is really awesome. We've gotten some really great feedback from everybody who's enjoyed a massage so far. And we're always kind of running different promotions. So, for December, we have our peppermint massage, and we have more things that will be coming throughout the year seasonally.
There's no Santa Claus massage, is there?
No.
No, okay.
No,
Sorry.
just peppermint.
Just peppermint.
It
I'm guessing that's an essential
simple.
oil or something. Okay. I was just wondering, things get interesting around this time of year. Now, I did have a tour a while back, and I did notice there's a pool. What kind of, what's offered through the pool, and are there any other amenities that we haven't talked about yet?
Yeah, absolutely. So we do have a therapy pool here in the Wellness Center. It is 24 by 38 with regard to dimensions. So it's not, a competition-sized swimming pool by any means, but it is primarily there for therapy. So we do have physical therapy outpatient here in the Now building, and patients are able to enjoy aquatic therapy during business hours. But we do offer open swim outside of those business hours, so about 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning, and then in the evening from 5 to 9 p.m. A couple other cool additions that we have in the pool area that we're offering. We have 2 included group fitness classes that are in the water, so some aqua aerobics. And then we also have an arthritis aquatic program that is an additional cost to a membership. Very popular, so make sure if you're kind of interested in that to be checking on Facebook so that we can get you registered. And then children's swim lessons. So we do offer those as well, which are popular. The pool is great. It is maintained at about 91 degrees, so it's always comfortable to get in, which is super, super nice. So that's included in your membership as well. If you want to just come in, swim, do a few laps. In regard to other amenities that we offer, our locker rooms are absolutely beautiful. Having been to other spaces in town, it's just not comparable. We offer steam rooms in both men's and women's, and then we do have a co-ed sauna, again, included in your membership. And then we have day lockers. So anybody that's coming in, there is a locker provided for you with a lock that's individual to you to store your items. We also offer full-size locker rentals. So it's $15 a month for a full-size locker, but we do include a laundry service with that. And what that is any apparel that you have here in the gym, you can put into one of the designated bins, and our staff actually launder that apparel and put it back in your locker before your next visit. So that's an add-on cost, like I mentioned, but it's so convenient.
Absolutely.
And then the full shower suites. So we provide all of, the toiletries, towels, and things that you would need to come in, work out, get ready for the day, and then head off to work or wherever you're going.
Sounds like you can almost eliminate the gym bag. Makes it ease of access much better.
Yes.
So that brings us to the end of our episode here with Sarah. Again, Sarah, thank you very much for joining us. As always, thank you for listening to Health Focus, our Memorial Healthcare podcast. If you enjoyed our show, please rate and review us on wherever you listen to your podcasts. And be sure to join us in the future as we will be bringing more interesting topics. Again, this is Dr. Flermone saying thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.